channel. As always, if you're new, hit that subscribe button down below. You're already here, so might as well just do it. Come on. It's been a minute since I posted. Sorry. But I'm here. I'm so excited for today's video. It's in collaboration with Sojos Vision. You can find them at sojosvision.com. So they let me pick out 5 glasses, and I'm going to show you today the ones that I got. First pair that I got. How cute is the packaging? You pull it out like this. So the first pair I got are the blue light glasses. If you don't know what blue light is, it comes off of the computer screen, your phone, the TV, and it's very bad for your vision. So this is the first pair that I got. These glasses actually block the blue light. They come with a little test strip thing, a flashlight. It also comes in a little carrying pouch, cleaning cloth with the logo on it. How cute. So this is the first pair of blue light blocking glasses. They're black frame. Very good for your eyes, especially when I'm on the phone or on the computer. These are called Crazy Work. The second pair that I got, same packaging as the last one. You pull it out, and these are the clear frame. These are cute. These are also called Crazy Work transparent frame. The pair that I got, same packaging. These are a gray turquoise frame, also blue light blocking. These are the Grand Canyon, gray and turquoise. Fourth pair that I got comes in a black packaging with their logo right here in the front. These are the pink and gold frame mirror glasses. These are super cute sunglasses. I love these. Definitely my favorite. Pink and gold mirrored frame. These are called Motivation. The last pair that I got, oh my god, look at the packaging. So cute. Pink packaging, a white heart, their logo right here in the middle. And you open it up like this. How cute. Super, super cute. I love it. I love the packaging. It comes with a little carrying pouch. Pink. It's got their logo in the middle. Very, very cute. These are the gray and pink heart-shaped frame. Super cute sunglasses. I love the packaging. It's so cute. I love that it's pink, gray and pink, heart-shaped. Called Lulu. So that's it for my video. Thank you for watching. I will give you guys a 15% off discount code down below. So if y'all want to go check them out, go to their website. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.